What happens when Suzuki decides to throw everything into one machine? You get the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and it's absolutely wild. This bike has been turning heads since the moment it was announced. So, is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's latest powerhouse. Buckle up, this one's exciting. Design. First impressions matter, and the RM-Z 1050 delivers. Suzuki has refined every curve and edge, giving this bike an aggressive yet modern stance. The dual-tone color scheme looks premium, and the lightweight aluminum frame keeps things nimble despite the increased displacement. It looks fast just standing still. Performance. Now, the heart of the matter, performance. The 1050cc engine produces serious power while maintaining smooth delivery throughout the rev range. Acceleration is instant, and the suspension handles rough terrain with confidence. Whether you're tackling trails or pushing limits on open roads, this bike responds beautifully. Features and technology. Suzuki packed this machine with smart features. The digital display is crisp and easy to read. Multiple riding modes let you customize the experience, and the traction control system works seamlessly in varying conditions. It's clear Suzuki focused on both safety and rider enjoyment. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is a bold statement from a brand that knows performance. It combines power, style, and technology in one impressive package. What do you think about this bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.